Class, I just pressed on the web link for the Quizlet card studies, and I just wanted to show you how the site works a little bit. You can have a lot of fun kind of playing around with these. Right now, I'm on, click on where it says flashcards. And if I say, okay, this one says it's Claude Monet, and if I um, click on the card, it will show me an example of a work from him. Right? You can go to the next one, Renoir, boating, luncheon on the boating party. There's little games you can play. So for example, if I do matching and I can start a game and I can say, okay, this matches with this artist and this is Van Gogh and this is Monet and this is Renoir and it'll just play little games with you. Okay. Then we can go back and if you want to like test yourself on things, it'll set up test questions so like you can do matching, okay? You could do multiple choice. I want you to be familiar with these artists from the Impressionist period. So have fun with these cards and know that you're probably going to see these on a quiz.